park on a trip as I flip through pages. Particular park by the bridge on the Hudson. I first got enhanced by the rhymes and the cuts, and if I'm not mistaken, making 2 records mixed. And certain DJs had a few dope tricks. If you asked to get on, you will be their guest, y'all. Say a few holes and a yes, 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 y'all. They had battles of the neighborhood jocks, and I used to take the jam right straight to the box. Every now and then you hear gunshots ring, just duck, what the f***, yo, it ain't no thing. What I thought was shots was just a few pranksters, but pow, pow, pow meant juice and the gangsters. Hip-hop was set out in the dark. Hip-hop was set out in the dark. They used to do it out in the park. They used to do it out in the park. Hip-hop was set out in the dark. Hip-hop was set out in the dark.
Yeah.
This was the time MCs used to bug out. Yo, what happened?
Yo, somebody pull the plug
Just
out.
about the time when you jump for joy.
Yo, you take my stare, I'ma kill you, boy.
As your back getting smacked and your friends make jokes.
Yeah, pack it up and get out of the park, folks.
But only to the cops we made some commitment. I was shocked when the stick-up kids took the equipment. Say what is the message? Love is the message. Say what is the message? Love is the message. Hip-hop was set out in the dark.
They used to do it out in the park.
Yeah. 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 As it goes a little something like this.
In the wintertime to move the jams to the reach. Do you think that the cold made the whole thing cease? I recall seeing Flash one time, no two. Can't forget about the Queensbridge crew. But this is the place which I made my mark, and those who resist or try to diss get sparked. In the park after dark, things really got cooking. I seen the titles of idols and many chains get took it. I seen the status pack, letter for letter. If you wasn't from the town, they beat you down. But these are just pieces of the ancient ways, but the rule still applies to the rhymes nowadays. Just wave your hands in the air and wave them like you just